813-869-1556. 813-869-1556. If you're sick and tired of having a wet yard, then you should know this is 9 times out of 10 your culprit. Look how much clay composition we have inside of this soil. It's almost impossible to drain. As we come through the yard, you will see what the homeowners experience. Look at the conditions. It hasn't rained in days. All right. So we have 2 different projects going on simultaneously. Of course, we have our underground conflicts we're trying to navigate around. And we are also repitching and resloping the pool drain. We have some type of bubble going on here that we're rectifying right now. Say hi to the camera.
Yo, yo, yo.
All right. So, as you see, we have nothing but clay here. This homeowner has not experienced a dry lawn since they moved in. So, we are going to dig an extra wide, extra deep, extra awesome and amazing trench that will keep everything dry. Look at that clay. Just solid clay. Like, there's no way that he can drain anything in here. As you see, we are having outside fingers that's going to feed to the main line. That steady feeding to the main line. Feed to the main line. Drain, drain. This is here, which is teeing to the sump pump, which is going to the sump pump. That main line's going to the sump pump. As you see, we don't know how the expected for water to flow uphill, but somehow that's what they thought it would do. And we're going to navigate in our discharge lines, navigate along the landscape. Ninety. Keep going. And we're gonna daylight approximately right here. I'm gonna daylight right here and let water take its course naturally across the sidewalk into the city gutters. Okay, so we have a scenario here where either we bring the ground down drastically, or you have an opportunity here to throw stone if you choose to. Match the matching marble going around the house if you want to come out and do it here as well. As you see, there's going to be a significant difference in the level. Okay. 813-869-1556. 813-869-1556. That is the number to remember, folks, if you have drainage problems. We are removing ton after ton of clay off of this property, giving this homeowner a remedy that any Florida resident should be proud of. Take a walk with me. 6 inches standard, single or dual wall. Standard, the Ace1 standard. Look at all this stuff we ripped out. Failed systems, again and again. It's a test mock-up system, it's not ready yet. But of course, we're gonna start our 6-inch pipe and our run. And you see our burrito system. Oh yeah, look at all that beautiful drainage stone. It's beautiful drainage stone. Yes, I got water running in here, testing our fall. As you see, we have attained fall all the way to here. And here's dam number 1. And here's dam number 2, just to stop the water from going into our sump pump. So as you see, our system has achieved fall all the way. We'll put our sump pump here. We already have power right there. As we come out to over here, we have lines that's going to be connected into the system. Lines that's going to be connected into the system. It's going to go into the sump pump. And after we finish, we are going to regrade and sod the backyard area. All right, as we see, everything's starting to come together. Working on the echo drain and the pavers. We got our chip marble border lining. We're laying our sod. Of course, we have our Ace1 custom 6-inch French drain system. Okay, as things start to come along, we're sewing things up so that we don't have to touch this part of the yard again until we get to the sump pump. And from the sump pump in here, we're gonna work our way out the yard. So, nobody does it better. If you're tired of soggy yards, you're tired of not being able to enjoy your backyard landscape, we are Tampa Bay's premier company to call. We will get your outside living conditions back so that you can enjoy them with your family. That's including the pets. Artificial turf, fencing, pavers, drainage, everything outdoors. Ace1.
Yes, sir.